Real good. Yes.
Grand Haven Municipal Marina, Grand Haven Municipal Marina, do you copy? Over.
This is Grand Haven Municipal. Please switch and respond on channel 10. Over.
Grand Haven Municipal Marina, Grand Haven Municipal Marina.
This is Grand Haven Municipal. Go ahead. Over.
Yeah, this is Southern Estate. We're coming in for the night. We run into, I think I believe it is slip 10, if that makes sense, or wherever you guys assign us. I just want to let you know we're at the entrance of the marina coming in.
All right. Will you need any help docking?
We would appreciate it if, you know, I'll have to look at the situation when I get there, but yeah, if there was a dock hand, we would appreciate it.
What was your last name again?
Bates, Paul Bates in Southern Estate.
All right. So currently it looks like we have someone in that slip that's not supposed to be there. So we're going to try and get them out as fast as we can, but we'll be out on the dock to help you. All right?
Roger that. Let me know if I need to slow down or back out, or you know what I'm saying. There's a lot of people in this waterway.
All right. We should be able to get them out in time.
Roger that. We're just going past the lighthouses now, just right, getting to the entrance of the channel.
All right. This is Grand Haven Municipal. Back to 9.
Oh, it is? Well, this is busy. It's Saturday too. Just from first observations, obviously with all the boats, but I can see a lot of hotels and stuff too. People, you see the RVs right here, and the beach is just right there. You saw the
RV park, you see that?
yeah, I showed it. Do another shot of the Paul pulling in. See what's going through the mind of a brilliant man.
I'm a little nervous, I'm not gonna lie.
I was thinking you were going to be a little nervous.
Kind of cold.
Just
There's
we're
just so many of them. There's
just
like behind us,
I know.
like 20 behind us, 40 up in front of us.
There's more than 40, Chief. I stopped counting. So Big Pillow here doesn't move too fast, so hopefully we don't get bunched up with anybody. The important thing is don't panic. No matter what happens, just make it look like that's what you planned. See if we can get a stress level up a little bit. Doing?
Hey, ask Beth to look at the wind meter and tell me what the wind is.
Okay. know what the wind meter is. It's showing 25, 19. Miles an hour. So take a. I'll come in here for a minute. See what Paul sees.
Feels like it's coming out of the east too, so it's going to push me away from the dock.
Well, I got lines pulled on all the way around, so.
I didn't even know they made this many boats.
There's a few boats here.
What's this guy doing?
There's the Coast Guard. Looks like they can do their own repairs at this station. They pull their own boat out of the water and everything. Of course, there again, you got to pull all your boats out of the water.
Yeah, I think all the water freezes here, so everything comes out. Those look like cut ice.
Wouldn't you say this is the biggest, seems like the biggest town that we're pulling into?
I don't know if it's the biggest, but it's definitely one of the busiest.
Of all the small towns.
Hopefully we'll lose a lot of these boats right here at this public dock thing right now.
Yeah. That little RV place was pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, it was right in the marina.
The beach.
I got boats everywhere. I ain't 20 feet away from a boat.
What do you think?
Kiko nervous.
Kiko nervous.
Jave, don't do. Jave, I'm in a delicate situation. I'm in a delicate spot right now. Ah, Chief!
Everybody calm down.
Jave.
Jave.
My nerves are right on the edge.
I
This
bet.
morning we didn't have a good, perfect takeoff. What's this guy doing? Is this guy fishing? Freaking shitting me?
Alright, I'm ready to go down. I would guess. I'd say back in.
One thing you got to be prepared for is you don't never know if you're going to back in or pull forward. You just never know.
You know what? They've got the things in the middle, so
You want me to pull forward?
whatever you want to do.
Forward's easier.
All right.
All right, tell them we're gonna go in and pull forward.
We're gonna pull forward. So he's flipping around right now. Get a good shot at it. Go.
I'm over there, right?
Yeah.
I don't know if I can make it this time.
All right. Don't force it. She gets nervous no matter what, though.
Not sure. I got a good captain.
Like my wife.
I have a good captain, but it's just always a little
Hey, that's
nerve-wracking.
my first mate, I'll tell you. It's a disaster without her.
Anything else we can help you with?
No, I think we're good. We're good.
Hang on, Miss. Thank you guys so much. You're going next. You're next.
We're all right here, but just I got a nice seat right here to pull the boat over. If I go forward about.
Yeah, we can go forward as much as you want, Chief.
All right, guys, so you can see here, everything turned out great. We so appreciate the support on YouTube. You have no idea. Anyway, thanks. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and start sharing these videos with your buddies because they're not easy to put on. And we really want to get this channel going. Anyway, peace out. Love you guys. Thank you so much for your support on YouTube. We appreciate it.
If you don't got a part.